So this is our trade for the day. So make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to be subscribed. If you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. Let's start with our trend. We can clearly see that our GBP USD is an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. So our next movement on GBP USD would be another stock that should take out this high, previous high. Why we will be expecting such a movement is that if you have to zoom it out, right, you can clearly see that this market is giving us a series of higher high and an higher low, right? We're having a series of higher high and an higher low, which is an uptrend move. So because of that movement, we will start from here for quick analysis to understand this movement. If you take a look at this to be our higher high, then we take this to be our higher low, then we take this to be our higher high. This will be seen as an higher low, then we will take a look at this to be our higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, we are expecting market to give us another bullish move that will eventually form a new higher high. So this bullish move will go ahead to take out this previous high, hereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we are expecting next on GBP USD, and we should be expecting that bullish move for the day. So if you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button.